have throughout the day, we have need plenty of water, juice, or no.
After they plot it, they give us I think 2 cups of coffee.
Which is, I think, will energize you so. But the main concept is to rehydrate.
Done 10-15 times. I've already donated blood, and quite a number of times I did it in Velo, and then Delhi, and again here in our state. I've done it minimum, I think, 10 to 15 times. Well, I would like to appeal on behalf of the government, and especially the celebration today, which is the coincidence, the birth anniversary of our late Pesama, the tallest leader of the state, the tallest leader of northeastern state, and also the tallest leader of the tribal community. So from the party side, we would like to commemorate this event, and also we would like to request all the citizens of the state who is healthy to join us, and also to be ready in donating the blood. And this blood, it is not that you donated to me or to the party alone, but we save life of needy and the people of the state as a whole. So I would like to request all the citizens of the state who are healthy to kindly come, join, or not only today, anytime they can even go to the hospitals, they can go to even the PHC level, where we already organize. We have the place for donation, for the donating of the blood.